Hey everybody, how you doing? Skinny Mitch, Steve's Lincoln Place, Petaluma, California. Today I'm shooting the Atamaman and the bulldog at 90 yards. I have my target set at 93, but from the end of my bench, or the end of my gun, it's probably about 90. So 90 yards. The wind is blowing from my gusting on and off. I'm going to do some 5-shot groups with the JSB 81.02 grain. Here's the Atamaman. You can see my target right there at the crest of the hill. Okay, I'm going to pause you for a sec, load my magazine, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I got full fill. The wind has kind of died down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and just do a 5-shot group. One. Two. Huh. That was really weird. Uh-oh. Something's not right here. Okay. Let me pause you. Well, I kind of don't know what happened there. I made 2 shots, didn't hear any report from the target. So, I'm thinking that my piece of steel fell over. So, let's go find out what happened. I think my steel fell over. Yep, that's what happened. Okay. Cool. So, pretty sure I did a 5-shot group, maybe 6. We shall see what's going on. Yeah, definitely the steel fell over, so that's why I wasn't hearing the report. I paused the camera and I went and shoved my rod down there to see if I had stuck pellets or not in the barrel. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it was a 4-shot group unless 2 went through 1 hole. Can you guys see that? So somewhere I lost my tape measure. Crapola. Well, my finger's 1.5 inches, center to center. So 1.5, so that's 2 inches. 1, 2, so about a 3.5 inch group maybe. 90 yards. But I got a good group right here, really. Anyway, it is what it is, man, you know. So I'm going to pause you. I'm going to set up the bulldog. And I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Benjamin Bulldog. The JSB 81.02 grain. All right. The Atamaman was the same ammo, and my target is right there over that crest. All righty. Looks like we're recording. Good. Okay, let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, we just got a big gust of wind. 1, 2, 3. My metal fell down again. 4. 5. All right, let's go see what happened. This time I brought my tape measure so I can measure that other target and this one for you guys. Just so you know, I do have a metal trailer that's behind this. So even though my metal fell down, I still have a safe backstop. You can see it right there. It's an old trailer. I'm hoping they didn't make it that far though. Okay, this target, it's a little bit easier to see, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. Bear with me here. We're looking at, I get the tape up here for you guys. 5.5 inches. You can see it's hard to get back far enough. Oh, here. I think I have you guys zoomed in. There we go. Yeah, 5.5 inches. I want that on there so that you guys can see it. Anyway, 5.5 inches isn't the greatest group ever, so I'm sure you guys aren't going to call me on that. Let me measure this other group real quick. The wind is just all over the place today. Okay, and this one is a 4.5 inch group for the Atamaman. So, I don't know if I can show you here. See how that paper's blowing? So we got a pretty good wind. Anyway, I got my camera set up different today, so that's why it's all kind of crazy. Let me do this with the camera out of my hand here. I'm sure you guys can see. Yeah, 5.5 inch group. So everybody, thanks for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. And like I always say, be safe and have fun. I'll see you on the next one, all right, guys?